Hi guys, welcome to another video, and this is the second part, and we're back with this bird. We found out what's wrong with it. It's not hungry, it's tangled in something. There's a wire somewhere, and it's cut to its leg. Oh, Logan's pulling it out right now. Can you move your shadow, Logan? It's right there.
It's stuck in its wing.
It's stuck in its wing, and its wing's kind of bloody. Give him some more food and see if it'll like loosen up. And we're here with Cole, Logan's little brother, his mom, and then his sister again. Oh, sorry guys. Right there, guys, is where he's talking about.
So you know, I brought this for you.
Yeah, is that a little string that this is?
No, it's a wire. It's a wire.
Right there.
Can we try feeding it?
Did you feed it before?
Yeah.
Like out of your hand?
Yeah.
No, we wait until its mouth's like
drop
wide
it in.
open and we
Okay.
drop it in.
What is this?
Give it like smaller.
Here, hold it up so they can see. That was one of the things stuck in it.
That was in its tail wing.
That was in its tail wing, apparently.
Wait, can we? It pooped right here.
There's loads of poop everywhere, as you guys can see.
Yeah,
It's everywhere. Riley, look.
Yeah, it was right
It's
here.
everywhere, all along there.
Look
Have you
at
tried
look
looking
at
for the nest over here?
look at all its wings. No, this is the mommy bird.
That is not a mommy bird. That's a baby bird.
Oh yeah. Right. Oh wait.
Oh no, dude. Logan, you gotta pull your bike out of the street.
Should we get healthcare? I mean, not healthcare. Mom, should we get like animal control? No. Why not? Wait, are we allowed to pet it?
No. Okay, we just found its nest. Right there, guys. If you can see that, give it a thumbs up so you all
And I
can
wonder
see it.
if that's the mommy bird because the bird was
So, right there is where the nest is. It's just right there. It's kind of hard to see, but it's right there.
Yeah.
Guys, please subscribe, like, and turn on the notification because sometimes, sorry, YouTube won't get it. We're going to try to get it onto this piece of paper right here. And we're going to try to put it up there in its nest.
I think I just touched its tail.
Let's not touch it because it has rabies probably. Yeah.
Yeah, don't touch it with your hand.
Here,
Wait.
grab it, put some food on it. So we're going to put some food on that little piece of paper. And we're going to try to get it all the way up to its nest. And so the mommy bird or whatever.
While using that.
Can take care of it.
Yeah.
Exactly. Say that one more time.
Take care of it. Yeah, there are thousands of poop.
Yeah, there's poop everywhere.
Yes.
Okay, as you guys see, the mouth's open. We like to drop food in it so it gets calm. And then we'll scoop this on. I can't. Okay, the mouth is open again.
Oh, it's lodged in there.
Okay.
Yeah, the mommy bird is that's the mommy.
So that's the mommy bird. Hey, that's the same bird that attacked us.
Yeah.
So if you guys watched part 1, we were attacked by that exact bird.
Oh gosh.
And it thinks that we're trying to hurt it. Oh God! Oh, Logan's on the run!
Stop! Stop! Logan. Stop!
It's just
There's
a
a car.
So apparently, it thinks that we're trying to hurt it, but as you guys know, if you've seen part 1 and now part 2, we're trying to help it save it. And you should know that! Oh gosh, it's coming again. Okay, guys.
We can at least just go put the bird just
Okay, we're
over
gonna
there.
try to put it over there.
Okay.
It's okay.
Oh gosh, oh gosh, oh gosh. Okay, so Logan's mom has the bird, and we're gonna put it over there. It's okay. We named it Ash, guys. Comment down below if you subscribed, like, and turn on the notification. Ash. And you could maybe get a shout out. So we're putting it right down there because we can't reach the nest. And I'll show you guys in a second where it is. It's just right there, hanging somewhere. Where'd you put it? Oh, it's right there, guys. It's right there. Right there, guys. Right there. So it can walk, as Riley said, just a little bit. And ow, thorn bush. And guys, thank you for watching this video. Adios.